aduane na eba na jeze entimi enyamie ewo yemu eno so enanche no bonze wakoma no na wahase enyenya ha bi ewo wa na yeso minimum no adibi san obonso ho no eyo ya ena afa so kra no nsampa wa wakoma no ewo hwehwu yie pa no nsampa osane na ahase yiniti na ebo nka ye warentu anamo a emboa emane man koyie kra entimi emfa mantia no ntina mekamfo ere ama se dimpa nature health clinic komo ena ne ya bomudin aka se ba ne osa omoye specialist omudwuma na omobo no ya de dam kama pere ma ne okwa ye bre na ya doso bebi e hye wo se ye hwe ne so ano no ya boa na ne ma de dimpa etimi edi amombo modin de habamba yi ekra bi nso efi amano ne ekabom de ye dura aboaje nkofo bebre nko a eri amomo ejom na so ne ma de yeso etimi ere mo se ne organ ha na ze bono uni kumase na jezo won kran wotakra de obebi a oni omudi nkomo na osa no adoso wache warewura mo bebi a emfre etimi emfa mo mere na omo abomode etimi aso ano na ne ma koyie pa etimi edi amanti ramo ewo dimpa nature health clinic komaso na osa won sesem de yentu ase dokudoku na so no gina na so nya hode na ne ma koyie pa emfa ma opomo a Oduwadi HMO second floor na jese Wells Towers no omo ewo ani omo ebo ejuma ema niama deda ye pa etimi edi ema odi chem so kumase enka ne bebi ana menshia health insurance scheme no no omo ewo omo ebo ejuma ebo amantoto ye no edida ye kama pa so etimi edi amantiramo na yemwa na nso no nya wa hoden na bibibia entimi enko yeso emfa manchemu bia na wafa omo number no 0245 118434 0245-118-434 na 0246-744-744 0246-744-744 ne mboa na ebibia ndeda ye from amaka say ye din ebekọ nyakwa kuram na afcon no yetimi akwa kurebi ni nyina no the national U23 no na agepene eroma omoko akwa ejuma Morocco patamane no and African origin travels and sports tourism sienka emfanto zo mugine no so edo okọ anya match nko na akwa na yerobeba pro na wahwe Morocco patamo se Rabat ana miamia na kekaika akwaku nsere ho no esietie etia no hyehyɛ no ne yazi nei obo modena de bo baako akunuma no be esi numti no yentutuenie na join omo na ombo na sports vacation Rabat 2023 no wabo ejuma afimuni nyina afini mpa mu no de omochi ne amfa nkɔ na kokore weni so ne ma after no na nwumre wase ababa be support o man Ghana ezanze trophy de den de beba ababe Ramo Ghana na no komo no ne yesi ne obo modern etimi ashase a the sport tourism packages no emu komo no ye simple ye boa nya visa application support ne remedy amount visa fee account bi accommodation fee account transportation and flight ni nyina no account ashase no obetwia 5000 Ghana cedi ato na ya bomode etimi de ahye process na se etimi de amount after no onsa account visa bibia de da medema no na de aka no wetimi de asoso sports vacation Rabat 2023 e ramu etimi de amount se ne obezo tu kwankwa mama awodo na so a African origin travels and sports tourism ne robeko akwakura bebi ti se Colombia, Nicaragua, UK, France, Germany, Italy and afi Spain na peso to Belize in Patamwa ni nyina reni aboa ma dadi impera man tibusumi ewom no na 20th June we de kwa ekoko ran 15th July no for mo number no ni omu ni nkomo yeze na wa bo modin ade deposit na ram no oba be fa passport birth certificate and a Ghana card no nko a na ne manu ye omehia na ye de ahye process na city form number no na ni omu ni nkomo na African origin travels and sports tourism de de anoma ye rubedu sisi a 0302 766 766 0302 766 766 and 0544 322112 0544 322112 na 0544 347002 0544 347002 ni ambo na ne manko ye penfa eman tetem so no ye ramu na ye ni nkomo akra na ye resere ne ma nesi etie dia the black meteors ebu makitem de omani achemo ewo Egypt impota ma yako na training camp no yeri akwa ihye so na aboama ne madadi pa etimi edi amena mun komo no ene sere nhihye no esietie no ene federation no a conference nyambo ayawoda ewo Alexandria Ghana yemrante no ebebo ayenkofa kensie bako ene omuni Egypt ene ebebo no bekia the last edition a etimi etodwa no Egypt man na ekoko jijumade no etimi erisi omana so timun komo no ena ne ababa betodwa cheze yemrante no ene omuni bebo ani yawoda a ne nyina ne preparation a ye ne arrest ye di be wram ne akọ bo adwuma si after we no ye besia preferring match ba akọ abo ansa ne abuya ketem no on the 24 June no dwuma de no e sha se o Morocco a ye akọ rama ye dwuma no na aboa ama ne ma de pa etimi edia men na the Black Stars of Ghana enso ehwe ze no be ramo Antanana River honey Madagascar on the 18th June na chese Sunday we are 2 p.m. prepare ye ne Madagascar mino edi boy ne AFCON qualifier ye nyare na ye secure qualification a ye ramo Ivory Coast ni akọ bo adwuma na munkomo no era mo baba bedu ye no ene the vice president of the Ghana Football Association Makado ebo modin ne timi akọ ekukurom zere management committee no opempa kan bi obo adwuma no anso ene the free vice president obo modin di nkomo emo makwaba no mo makwaba no enkomo no say no obo modin di tuja.
Good evening, gentlemen. On behalf of the president and the management team, we just want to welcome you back to Ghana. We know we have, and also the minister. He was supposed to be here, but he's caught up at the Jubilee House. But they all went to express. They will express the fact that they are happy that you are here. You got in safely, and wish you well in the next phase of this competition.
Ya no ye komo bo mo die timiere tuja ne mrante no ya no cheze omoma kwa ba so maba ababa be ramo kokko kujina the Ghana Football Association president nanamo and o cheze nan ko the minister ba so ba kumiri binti no wentimi anjoin no maba no omoma kwa ba after no and o bo mo dia ye game na ye kwa kobo no said hu hia Ghana for no say na so di tuja.
I believe if we win this game, then we automatically qualify. So this is a very important game ahead of us, and we are praying that we will get the results that we want, coach, and the whole nation is behind you. We're looking forward to this engagement, and we are very
Atia no ye komo po mo die timi ere tuja chezampa omo ehwe ni mu amani nyina to machi so mbeko akoko de na abo amane ma dadi pa etimi era after no na coach Shootout ejina mrante ni nyina na mo as a head coach no edampin for na se zo mutu anamon ba be hwe mo no so kan sisudia zo mrante no ba o ma ba ne komo ne o modi no o jide pa so metimi bi pa era mo man Ghana se no so bo mo de aseda no o de era mu
on behalf of mostly the players, but of course the staff is here. We would like to thank all of the management for their support for coming down today. What we do realise is what we spoke about today with the players is that this time of the year is always a very difficult time of the year. They've had long, hard seasons. Some played more than others. Some finished strong. Some finished earlier. But without all of that, what we appreciate is all of these players that are here. Okay, and for the reason that they're here, it's because of qualification.
No ye koma po mo de dia tuja chezampa players no ebi mo ebrante bi mo so no nya kwa mama branti break kakra be no na ya de a ha dwe na so bo ma ba na ye qualification nti wera ma baba be roma nema e da de mo no train ne be koso na mo no obo de esi ansencho for erika no ye bisa no so nkidien mensa ni pra na we pra no e na e be replace no na de no ken de for pra no se no de nsem no ewram.
Okay, so the answer to them is both of them is yes. I mean, the situation with Gideon is that Gideon his club have been managing an injury that he has. So, but this is somebody that's been playing in all of the games, and maybe some of that is because his team were obviously in a very difficult position. Sometimes you get a feel from a player who is maybe not so confident in coming, or a player who wants to come. Gideon wanted to be here, and that's a good sign, and that goes back to the first question. This is somebody that wanted to be here in camp. So it was our responsibility to assess him, to assess where he is at the moment with the medical information, and come to a conclusion. And the conclusion is that probably at this stage, we didn't want to risk him. This is post-season. He has as with all of the players, they have a pre-season to go back to and to start of another season, and we felt it wasn't right to risk it. The second part of that is at this moment we haven't brought a replacement in. We will work how we will work this week. If we feel different, after these few days, then we'll assess that again, and perhaps somebody that will be in a standby situation. But at this moment, we are not bringing in a replacement.
Tia no ye command na chess open parable modidi at fa gideon main sound so your pepaso beba ababe jamni abu ejuma so prana ba na prana me sa cha na original mo abu ejuma de man team ni ti omo be no person be risk no so mo de ne ba ababe jamu wi no say for now omo no kukramu na onji ndi so mbe to asisa fro bi ani manim ya manaba ababe shima ni chi no okasere fa in local league no on them retain utu anama hwehwe league ni bia na no so say no obo mo de kasere fa.
The difficulty, I suppose, with the local league is that the league loses a lot of players, and of course when you have a league that loses a lot of players, it's what you replace them with, and probably what I have seen is that a lot of clubs are bringing in younger players, which is good for development, and there's no doubt there is talent here, but it's about the next stages for them and playing on the best stages that they can. So again, I'm still in that stage of assessing everything.
Until no ya komo bo modere tu judges league no oguso ani orhe na wa bo modere no etimi access na mo no ade ba ko ha dwo league ni mo pa na say in place a omo quality no wo so no dodo na ya na omo fi league ni mo ko orhe no so omo se league no dodo na de nkwada ene bontie chezampa league ni wodachi papa no guso assessing kakrakra ze bibia bekwe na local boy your friend no eya fees wuta konkoni na hon komo no na ye ya na ebizanze dia ni dia no hwe ya ni ode to sa friend so mama me jamu nyejuma emfa mo man Ghana no so anu yesi na Chrisuti bo mo de jai
live at last weekend, and I have been able to watch him on video, and so it wasn't such a surprise. I thought he did well today. It wasn't a surprise because he's a player that I've enjoyed watching. He's a young player, so I think he has a lot of development still. I think he's quite a mature. Speaking to him, he's quite a mature player. I was fortunate to see.
Tiano ye koma obo modere tu ja cheze wanya kwan hwe na otwetwe mu no ahwe ni videos na one no kra din komo no zampa o play bi abo no wabo a o madwin ye papa be boa mane ma dadi pe timirament no also opi for say dem abeku ye ma no no a ne training no for the first time or joining group no na on say ya ne sa e boa mane ma dadi na Joseph Frentel and also Kobe Joma goals no so ba ni obo goals ne sa na ne oba be Ramana expect says our goals no de ba na no yesi no so de mai.
For me, I'm not really under pressure or something, My style of play is to always help the team in terms of giving assists, in terms of fighting, in terms of defending, in terms of taking players on. That's my task. If I score, yeah, we thank God. But the most important thing is the team. That's the most important thing. So it doesn't matter who scores or who makes the assists. The most important thing is working together as a team to produce the results for Ghanaians.
Antiano ye komo bo modi timere tu ja chezo goals ni de ohye na ha no ye hia pa ene so bebo modi no mu ina ka bo ma se team enfa ni go be she enfa ni assist ne be na mom no ye bo wie na team no edi nkunima eno ne hia team ni nkunim de kane eno ye komo de etu ja mana ball fast food maka ze grodia ma de ope jollof rice kan japa ne fried rice emu ede ni akoko a eye mana ball fast food omejuma omo bon ni ma na omo ye ne yade a ne hyeyi pa di e wo zo obo modi na kokoko bi di udia wa beba na wa ba bi dia dance ye na apoana ne ma deda di impreti mera ma obo adwuma ntino o ko brono awodo na miami awodo na o ye adwuma so amia no omo e Bengana Commercial Bank tafo o si scoreboard pa po binyo omo krono o si krono ba ya ho no o wa o ye adwuma kama pa se ne wedding bi na wo ye party bi na wo ye abadin to bi ene roma na ye na aba na penkofo a ebe nu aduane ama hoho na aba no omani abomoden hu zampa bibi omo be ne wedding no omo ba na omo ba wedding there but omo didie Philippa MB mana ba na wo so fa no na ono na dwuma fo ne ba no omo ba be ne kama pa etimi ere ma 0249 030830 0249 nomboa na ne manko yi so no entimi emfama be Herbal Clinic makanse mamia be ejuma maame ne bo no okrudiama no eye ejuma ano eden ejuma no bo no yade eye ejuma every year papa na ore sede nkomo na sitie ne niama na sie kwa eya bidu nkoten no bo moden etimi edirewrama esa nkofo yae ti nei uyo bi a niama hyerande da de emfa maame bana maba becho na wawramu abi na so ye na maame no abomode etimi ahwew oye bema otedwa no yade so yie pa ukwa ebe na ya pijam from wiser to beam nation na de no mu ayedu baby girls no ama uzampa akoi ni sisi mueden ne tedwa no so mu edu kama nti epemwa na uzampa ka bo bi ti kono hwe no ndi ujuma ne ntimi efa ma low spend count ama wapem so a odede bia no kwa fuma obozuokratu na watiti nkotomri na deba aba bidwamu fie tu do pem so epepe ya ade bia na jeze ye wi ti low spend count no e ma de ne nkonkonkodu bibia e wo se kono nti ara pa ni nyino be na nyetimi aboa na wejana so na ne makoyie pa etimi ere ama no so no efiwa obese aboa na prostate na wunyina na eye kese no se wanhwe na prostate no wantimi entu anamo anye ni ya debi no ye ade bi kwa akoto be ma ne yeri tuma azeje kunti azimponi ni aso na edna kwa kopie mo nsamampum na ade na je de agu baby girls no ko center boot no eni awiki kakra be na ya bomode ne etimi ataite na de amazanzen comfort de omo de na eje obeboa bibi be chiche be de ebe ya kono na sunjia be fie fiber de be na wetu ase bosome so bu nsa na e kan odwea ni nyina ma me ne hwe etimi etu ana mompa na twa ya ba ko a egu nkofo ani ma se wasasi so ono na akọ na so ya obre no wayi sa de na fio na wenya ho de zanzen nkofo bibi na bomoden etimi di adanse na sickle cell nsensem so no odemufu a akwada na yesi onyindu bebi obefum no enya no kre se maamia be wo no nyame nam no so obebo ama aba no enya ya isa akwa scan test no twa sickle cell test no ye tano so apatrapa new site o obena apatrapa junction no 0243 345 392 0243 345 392 and 0506 460208 0506 460208 niambwa nyane manko yepa etimi enfama kama pa na tote no etimi adaneri kan ka se midiema na ore medium league je ni ade no bebi ehia pa no Africa Felix Che your goalkeeper ere bizanzo no medium squad no nyon omo na chance na o Karela ni ade but oba ye second run aba bebo ma league no omo age na medium team na nkasa de na kere fan komo si no obo mo de jai
medium Africa so obekwa na so nko de me ntimi nka because empefo na betima take decisions say obekwa anomo say omo ka to mo Africa we dey bring body they are ready say bibia be bia no yo
Etia no ye komo bomo de etimi ere to John Africa ni na mo no ebo amane ma de da ye pre etimi edi emo mo na honorable mrekuduka na je takwanso ayim ni wa bomo de didi nkoma na MP ewo ho no enso echeche mu ni sponsorship on nkomodidi a ogiri se hu behia so mo de be remedy ama media ma na abo ama Africa no mo kona wi pe
say Ghana manganese oye China fodia na one of the management members catch him there or sheda on you meet a picture of park or na what tag no that call LinkedIn and Twitter and China for be there lawyer then minister of bar them you made him no say team ni community team enti motibiano or there ye kwana yeboboa team enti Ghana manganese at all costs you bring your support going to Africa. If the next level is to ask me na obisa so Yura Moses Amapaka yebaka WhatsApp na yaboa Ghana manganese waboa oye Ghana manganese kote you make sure that Anglo Gold oboboa Goldfields oboboa ENP and all other companies are water they must support Mediema. Sunday Africa no or yam kese what they bring in.
Etia no ye command the honorable mrekuduka abomo de area tuja etia no ye companies and no ye muso mbebo na Mediema kwa Africa no ma kujo na so ayedwa crowd folk and they are no pay na coach friend David Oklu Asia players ni omudi nkomo etu omofo ze ye mo makwa akwajo ma kakra na bibi dia daddy anto federal notice on be communicate with omo na do esim no omaba asia aba be pre-season asena niam adadiera montine how to folk omo abriki players no so monko enkonko jo ma na muza White House no na ne Hamza Isa oza akwari so bia piemo arura so na ejuma obo no yade ano edempa no na ro ani chemo division 2 no player of the month kese agya awards no be esemiensa ato aso okoko presenter che Togo afede the boche zeni no team run he na ejuma no obo no ogiri se kakra kra obesa bana wa babirwa no aboa manema de dadi so etimi ede amon tie no Kevin on say CB Germany de ma 11 wonders na after playoff no teams out don na e penny somra ema me Germany omombo ejuma na ebi zanze na ne premier mamba yi ni adeade we ready say team bi ba obekwa akwa ejuma de amon no yesi no de ramu.
I'm like a soldier. Always now, I'm ready for any battle that comes away out of my way. And you know, my question is, maybe I say, me my prepare in battle. Be I can say, young go for that war front. Media, you have to go. And me, I'm always like a soldier. Maybe I'm my word prepared. Team be I can go. And Premier League, and yes, PK more Premier League in the my Premier League, maybe even come. I receive man of the match. Oh, Premier League, and the Premier, my Premier League. Yeah, really, and I'm a fan. It's no. Our main cover there, because on the team race and now relegation now, all teams now mostly what Namia and cutting for Nakoma or Nabo Nachiman Kofamo. Tina, me and the command who said no, I will stay. And the Mumpai and then first division, you know, and the equipment.
Eltiano, your command, Kevin or CRCB PK. Upon what the Georgia Premier League no Abobida, Nadia, na Utia Yi, Nayes or Rena be move beyond there. So have been married back to back. Ebi mu last year na obasa join team bi o Ari. There was a players in club basis here this season omo boy local league ni bi na there e ba sa so aya na ha adwi o na oti anye yi na san kofoforo na omo so we a ara be din say team bi be fa o Ghana akomia ye roma ni ani nkomo na krizu din akaza via local league na afi suta konkoni wa cheche mu na medium preparation omo that focus no eze omo kwa akọjọ omo na be say no aras no say the house for this promote no eze omo qualify for middle league no ti Hamza Isa omo toska omo uzi ono na Nesi Shmelado no eza what in Hamza go sa komi akra na bono ehu na afiara once no na bishop ni mikimbram na yenkona na minimum bra
I mention it if when area so house of folk ayo madrid so me promote omo nkoda nkoda mo as no mo ma be pim no ma bobo on dey amomo I see no problem with it most of the big clubs will be here especially when unim say unim the fans would be room so they kwakoto big player be dinaba in the Ghanaian market. I'm sure say striker be one more because stay less than maybe 200,000 Ghana cedis. What did they mention as no? Striker be one because stay less than $20,000.
Less than how?
$20,000 for Ghana Premier League.
Oh, Ghana Premier League.
Yeah.
Strike be no record.
Especially when Hassan Kotokone pena.
Sir.
Yes.
Strike is
and I'm saying especially when Hassan Kotokone pena.
Yeah, come here.
Because most of these clubs don't have first no nan kebi away your address say mama Tom play Amakotokwana Hassan sana metima tono. But then most of the clubs know what links with European clubs ne various agents bia on betimi negotiate a proper deal like maybe 50,000, 30,000, 20,000 for the same player amanakwa pimo different club outside Ghana. It will Kotokone has now but it is more like you know trade it said yeah obi from an neighbor you know trade because you do to me is can obi near the number near Jesus can near the two baby and this first now crew twintina chan wasn't if I can pass through that particular kind of runs and what me akọ enable league ni we wan ekọ Africa
medium
so what they mention as no it they know say other clubs have come in they can win the league take their unbeatable former players some of them go Africa sell on now for magic they also moji and they ya be GD bi say Kotokone has ni say omo player omo top player am say ni say no e ya akosoro dodo so be fa player na say the obetuma ton player na man akwa monya sell on fee no crazy ya say bo say player ni titi bi ma ene wo chena obobo ntimi more pressure sa no na musa obetu ani na yeka so these things ne there say house of folk decided to be room into the academy and the junior team no after top players and obefa player naba me I feel a new news they've done it before into no more GD they give a reference point say Ishmaelado yes So if there's a reference point, o metima ko fo bi for say Hakim knows say on ma ko fa no na ba be shame. No be perform dia mom. The here ne so ba e be fa. Anko ya ana has to focus supporters ni be nya issue. But if he's one of their own and they believe is in any capabilities anymore, free that side neighbor no or you true and true phobia not the entire was so back as to focus. It's in an academic graduates money Roma be pierced through Boma team. Normally look at their character. Obi I and say oh you team nama or monana no ma munten team nima. They stay.
Actually the captain not try.
Naturally there.
Captain tia.
Koto there the woje.
Naturally. Captain tia. Always the Benzema for is not the man.
Koto there the woje. Iti Abu may so happy for House of Folk say at least they want to tone into that particular route. They will buy minimum some metal players, but say any opportunity so bit me promote on Kola Nibia. This is the middle league and you better how to qualify. Abu Momomra. So at the emergency, be na no when you say Castilla, Boashe, Bassa, you take them when you are was three now. Oh, Castilla. In an year, so GD said that you know, there's going to be a top player from the Castilla. Our Baby Rema, Obitima Bama team, the team of form to my Padiafra. So all things being equal, I feel has to focus on the right track. BBN were Bonnie womb. BBA the year. Now,
Sompa Sports.
Oh yes. Me surprised it because player the Oban went to me and Bono disappointed that the biggest issue here say omuntimi nton and then you know. So has football could sign player, Kotowa could sign player 100,000 Ghana cedis, 200,000. Anko year one season now untimi nton no craft for 50,000. Untimi this be releasing no. When releasing so are not normal loan. Loan so kono bo 1 year na fakra na opponent na say team no be fan na catch so ye nim komo a ton I say na benya nsem bebre but at least can play free kotokone has a bad down at least or ton 200,000 kan also timi ya be 100,000 and 50,000 benfa omuntimi it release now no be release such players amomeja. I think it's high time the finances of the various clubs in terms of player value anyhow mo ton players eddie players bemuno it's a topic for another time but I believe it's something we see hwimu pa especially with quite fast value player okumase.
Of course, you see describe your fees who as a covo winning.
Abu Nano,
also a young player, and I visit a young player.
Abu, me what I said the age, you know, you're going to your grade here.
As a 1 hour, you are as if you're okay. And Chibun anyway, or Kabi, you are visiting a young player. So, you share a Krisitin. O Krisitin the other way.
And so who are fees or
the agenda on the agenda. As I want to. You can't young player to the young players or
a young player, man.
Yeah, who's some man? Hey, Naboni Benwaka. Now they were a young player. What do you say? Hafiz Konkoni, and you're 23 years.
I was 23.
I Hafiz Konkoni age 23 years.
I use Konkoni 23.
And I want the best set to be that baby.
Hey, Konkoni 23.
And now, but on the best set to be that baby, and I would jam me boy. Oh, best set around the best set in
Konkoni
99.
Eh,
yeah, Hafiz Konkoni
99.
Okay.
The Christian Kaka cross the way I see demonstrating the football abilities for
oh, looking more mature than the age, you know.
Above the age.
Okay.
Inti wakako onse na no na me explain the inti omo friend ji abed na gutete na no se michire muchire o me boa ba wanso it would tie the Christian ne keka ni ba bi abon ne na ma you definitely have to understand the reason why it's omo friend ahead of abed na gutete yes
Hey.
You definitely have to understand and cope with it. But you see, the local league in India, maybe when you say the introduction of Hafiz Konkoni no enye adie a plus gidi but enye bebrisa. We want to see them playing.
But all Kasafa, all
Kasa,
say the quality no, or the quality players no. Omu feel league ni mo content them do. Na adie plus man is there. Babi oku ibi no uze your young players are. You don't want to again into go so assess your
on say no what's the there now nowadays division 2 division 1 for boys no do na abo Premier League teams no
yes
you see share boy a Bishop no high school say we free oko Domasi yes look at the age
now you're rocky so
you didn't be remove the Ghana Premier League no but at a very young age now they've started playing a year positive the biggest issue one year say kwan be fa so e be develop your module stage be hu ni say e ton no kwa onko bre no ye scanning them yakwesi yes cantem oh we baby aduru no me mfa na nkɔ ne nkɔ discan without even thinking about the developmental stage of player no corner or yede ɔkɔ no it's na most of them need to kwan a any 1 year kra na bobo na sa akɔyɛ basa because o turn na mabroni for that price no na adwen ne say we all be no enya afi na me be kyerɛ ne say the city he fa na yede bɛbɔ short o free anu makɔ no so the akyerɛ na ayɛ bɔ no kuno
Kokobo bi akɔ
so short never bɔ no kuno ɔkɔ ni nyina sa na akyerɛ no so ati ase bo koduru won ma afi na broni ne be say na wo ye to for this particular amount afi na me be kyerɛ say baby aduru nya bɔ no kuno replacement I'm afraid be pass it into the net and you're short. Ball no nya afi na be short to pass the ball into the net. Bo se nipa krone fa ball.
Mate, ma wiki bram na bishop bra. Bi Brahman ever say you training you also play or J fans pa Niama.
NS Niama.
I'm say Niama ni nya ball na say supporters no stance no more tiamu Messi. Nana Messi.
When say football no e bi mo ha e de wo mo. And the science not an early age. Niama yesa bia.
Oh, okay.
The only thing is I was say Ukraine muye na yaboa no to nature ne career no. Say obetime develop ya be de oye. The oye or noise the land.
Sompa Sports.
Something similar na Kudus ya man ayas. Something similar na Kamadin Suleiman ya epeja no call Rene. But what check here Kudus and his Kamadin. Looks like Kudus still on an upward trajectory. Kamadin was stalling kakra.
Yes.
So konenim ana watria benechi ana wakansin semu. So we need to really help this Niama boy. He's a very good talent. Or a solid talent that Ghana should not let go of. Yehu similar talent who have sprung up. Ya yebo ano nimbo nebo pa.
Yeah, ya yebo.
All of a sudden no way. So Clifford Abuaji. So we have seen excellent talent. Omoma footballer a dazzle like when he saw when he na can. But how to sustain it and see so omo career no be progress as expected no. A problem on the part of the national teams. Omo clubs they will do their best. But national teams no. Quite many first why a projected talent to me pejem ekodrum pempe so pese drew. Spain made Gavi a national project.
Yes.
It is working. Pedri, something similar. It is working. Mbappe, a national project. France, it is working. Can we also identify at least one hugely talented youngster where any national team wa? You bet me a project in a samana kodum pempenso was true. So that is what we need to do for boys like Ernest Niamamo to make sure that we sustain them at the top. Sample or man to me and course rube bria. Kakrebi or met me no. It should be enough to transform the fortunes of your national team. No, that is where I want us to look at. I have a very big issue about local players who call national team, but because of time, I mean to touch on that issue. Players no more African hakon, they are quality. We have quality players, but not up to the standard required.
Oh, okay.
And your boy ne bonkwa na here to thrive ewa Europe. There are times conditions are obakotum. There are times it be a confidence. Mijiri said the average Ghanaian player lucky exposure. Born born wa hankwa. Into by the time obe to coin aqua brochenya the first opportunity no. Not perhaps onya any chance to try out any international game and international competition da. Or the upper check if share. Elsewhere, they said their Sundowns players they will be playing consistently in the Champions League. In Tisano, it gives them the exposure or share different competition from different leagues. Good. The confidence playing a big stadia. Inti Emma ehun toneso. Anya has for captain or the course South Africa or said you know.
Fatal worry.
They are them no be kind.
As your stadium one
And not great to make inti adian woni me ya. That stage fright. And not great to make kum sunsuma urefi. To no be tears arms or none refi so there yes spelling is saying ni din kra ni rate me fi ni no I was see a players need to me nyasa and chere no ye dey omo fam. Such preparation is also necessary. And at times I know some of us we advocate say anke enya quota be farmer top performing local based players and yes Bobby Kekeu exactly they get to mingle and they learn some one or two from omo mu fi ama no ne ba no because there is a lot to learn not just question national team them nebo inti ye benya local players who are good but when they omo call into such a setup they cower I say omo bibi come omo nti omo twetwe omo anaso omo be koile omo akɔhye omo shells mu and they don't give what exactly is in them.
No, I could do on crown on your opportunity. No, or hey, now make a
yeah, oh, you feel quite okay, but almost at a back camp, or show be addressing the Kitano, the expensive stuff, and these are players. They love luxurious stuff, or more flamboyant lifestyle. Into be our levels, womb, bones are kawashi. And they say, be our a guy area. Now, call big boys party. Now, Okono. Sebe wonim so ahwehwea ma afei okoto no say levels wom obekọ akọpe baby ate
example no cry mama mo example bi et say ye music competition na do Luther King akona shatawale when say akode mo
so level no form so exactly so
Luther King come bi shatawale dey say akode mo betulum
enti clearly that is where I was say me personally I always say this I was advocating for more of your local players, to get at least a quota beer or mobenya baby question for almost every call up.
Now make it and play and I am about Raman.
Oh no, it gives us an opportunity to try Pozo. And then it's what does it to me bo as a left exactly.
I mean I can present Kababa.
No, what's a Baba really I don't minimum the level of fitness.
Oh okay.
No so you're fit at a point because of injury. And personally, I think let's try Pozo. Game where game where you bia. Let's give him an opportunity so no sunye bimbo. And then there is Dennis Hodder who can cover. I said to Ali to cross to me as a left back. Intini na okay. Lastly on media madiano. You see, success has many friends. Intina nyawa wa say GMC penyino e pe say obe flirty with Mediama. Then abankonim die omo win trophy. GMC has sponsored Mediama before. So most case omo be sponsor Mediama enya the first time. But mining companies need now pedia coffee much into Mediama in terms of finances, in terms of resources. It has to be Goldfields. Goldfields are supporting Omopa. And I'm saying this, Abu, say if all the mining companies or more takwa, and it was a fiase, say or more committee a budget for Mediama every year. Anka club no success we are winning. Kobe sustaining is I bet was. I hear Baba reminiscent of Obuasi Goldfields then.
Oh, okay.
Because what do you mean, Bebubo? Goldfields Ghana. Here were Anglo Gold Ashanti. Idua Prim. Here were GMC Ghana Manganese Company. Engineers and planners were. Here were sub mining companies and other mining related companies. Ebi more supply explosives, ebi more chemicals. Omo ina operating within Takwa mines and their bang. If they are committing at least almost CSR projects or more, omo they almost say for sports and recreation, omo yi mu be 10% or 20%, and they are supporting media every year. They will maintain this level of success and even go better.
Wow.
Intimate just an event. It should be a continuation and your process. And you're something that a bet to us watching. An event in it to say, oh, yeah, JV, and you're more Africa, you support it. No move, yeah. Because football is a cycle. No team wins throughout. Obe winning for a period. Obe winning at what was not break a beam. Obe say, I was all sound so a starting process in Ibion. Ebia to Real Madrid, Ebia to Barcelona. Every big team has experienced this before. Obe winning, there will be a break. Now was all so reinvented the wheel and as also Sanyom Kakra. Now I could win Impion. Mediama will get there. Mediama team way. It looks like a rebuilding. They have overachieved. Share the face of the team. They are now on They have overachieved. So the expectations never raise their cost. Ebema they pressure ball also to deliver.
Sompa Sports.
Until what do they need? They need support, financial mostly, to recruit the best of talent, even if possible. Mediama can penetrate other surrounding African countries. Benye, to West Africa, go to Togo, go to Ivory Coast, go to Nigeria. They have been Benye to poach quality talent to beef almost set up no. Sika oho ebetimi aye. Goldfields model no. They were able to attract Nibombe Wakemo because there was money. They were not just signing foreign players or more good, but they were also getting quality local talent. It wasn't because no Bossy Goldfields, no, as so saying Kotoko and as so saying Haas. They were still here. But Goldfields was recruiting quality. Even they beat Asante Kotoko to sign in Valentine Atem. Now Kotoko they also signing Atem. But Obuasi Goldfields won the race to sign him. Why? Because they were able to sell a convincing sporting project. Now, sporting project being a bit more picture with that money, and the man you for Musu no. Say Qatar for them, is it not because of their money? So they need money. So these companies should commit, and they should commit for the long term, because success now banner multiple pictures of many ajehono. If they're able to support willingly, and then for a long term, they will see more than that.
Bramne ni nkoma aka.
Hamza Isa de ne ade akotwe Togbe afede. You know? Has. Ene kotoko. There is this misconception some crying to me more. It's a lie.
Enya no kre.
Lie. Kotoko fans, especially those on social media, say journalists tend to rubbish the idea of Division 2 players. And pokun to vina ebo kotoko no. Ofitakwa na oba amas. E hono fi ebo kotoko.
Ofitakwa na ba amas. Ono fi be bo kotoko.
Sompa sports. Sia pia no opoku ai.
Oh, okay.
No ko real school course nwa no ko wenchi tomakan. Fine stars no ebo kotoko.
Wow.
You get my point? Michael say you know fi ebo kotoko. There should be. You get a point.
I don't feel about kotoko.
So it's really almost like I said, they play father figure man.
Oh, it's so wrong. It's an erroneous impression. You see, the problem with Kotoko, and it has these days near the lack of institutional memory. Kwaku, first timer, Michelle Kotoko away match in the Ghana Premier League. Me Kaise Miano. It was at Jandu Park. Omukoshe Hazak is 3-0 in the year 2000. No match a team because South Africa.
And our mama catch it.
3-0.
Sompa sports.
Na Ufusu apia CID. Okasa team no Kumasi Anglican cast.
Then I saw time na CID be kiti.
And Ofri or Boss Sports Council. Ono fi be boss Kotoko or be ball match no.
Oh, okay.
Ose Kwame Junior. Yadamu kono no Ose Kwame. No bo Timie Waterway Sahara. Ya the bankani team no. And no case. Ofri no Kotoko. Patrick Diodu adwuma Ghana Water Company haya. So amia. Ofri pokwa no be ball Kotoko.
So nye afi
Eric Niba every twene amanfo. And obeba da Kotoko. Yeah.
I feel the agreement and also crowd.
No, memo be antum futrum weni. It's the lack of institutional memory. Friends are quite for Kumasi High School are not just stars.
Sompa sports.
Isaac Osu Ninja, Kumasi High School, Gihok, Ken Faisal, Kotoko. Kuku, yo baby. Stephen Odro, Ukes, and Okobo, National Coast Championship for Tamale, and ITU, who no Boma Corners babies, or free or no buy. Kuku, Obiaka Chosan Kranti Mokotoko on the trophy. Under 20 were camp. Oh, Winniba. And I got two class or Monkofa or Mugo keeper Antonio Sekoju, free or no Medakotoko first team. Now Mohamed Udumuni now. So, what is it? Prince Adupoku, one of the greatest to have ever graced their field. From Kranza, Babia United, no by. What could you be? What exactly do they want to hear? A dereliction of duty, but for Mutane Bekano. Omu your money free ho. And a liberty. I do it. Nipa miunu na corroborate mame. Mr. Anson and then Julaka. Kotoko, any liberty. Sulemun time mame eka to maminto. Because no successfully bo Kotoko. Or am I your case? Ono so aka.
Ono Canada.
No obeka say obehwe so obetimi abokotoko ansa na we career.
Oh, okay.
Look,
Mekai
Mema Obia na ada Peter Yakubu. If you vitin, our Tamale, and no the bar to you. Make mama list. Huh? Asamoah Accra Academy.
Sompa Sports.
Liberty. Accra Mo. Accra Bo. Let nobody deceive you people. And then who be at Rocky Jam Nabo Kotoko. And now Okwa Mas. Kotoko went past that stage long ago.
But after that, to say example, sana mane come. We always mean who jump to know. Presek.
Yeah.
Presek.
I don't know about Brukumas.
Yeah.
Kwaku, they were myriad. Now, your money free, what is right? And I'm at Division 2, need Division 1 for my ready. Some ton players now quite bruchino. AC or Mochi. Ebenezer Sifwa.
Ebenezer
Sifwa.
Ebenezer Sifwa income. They'll call a corner 20 maybe.
As if I'm so called St. Mary's and now school be a second year.
Oh, okay.
Prophet Josiah no. The players no back no. Kotokono mo to kai ko fast for aba. Omudu na George free any answer na fast for.
Sompa Sports.
Kotoko drew. I think they didn't know the exact location. Tinipani delay. Omudu no matam. Chomu chase omo car no crack trying to stop it. So what are you saying? Michael Anabawa, he knows if you about Kotoko.
Michael Anabawa, another fine player.
Huh? Franz Akwafu, Captain Kotoko. Or joining from him. More money. The last time he said Kotoko, I had proper high school recruitment no, was Dr. KK's upon time. No? Mujib Maestro, Mujib no, Antoine no free or call cast. I want no more fan. Boy now, Obo Makata for no Pato.
Yeah, Pato.
No, I'm at.
Oh, okay.
Or no, I did tell him as Jimmy Lum. Sa time. I got to call for a week. Carry me to another coach.
Sa time.
Look, a lot of high school players. There's
Sompa
talent.
Sports.
There is. I won't even lie to you. I didn't want to now about has no. Or as well. What do the nephew media marco has?
Or call we nana. Pay BB5.
Ajinim. No, I'm gonna secondary technical. Oh no, free back to call, but no, you be more. Look, they've been doing it consistently, right? But two teams they don't pay attention to that anymore. Chasalo to cover anything. Ishmael don't cover anything. Stephen Tete don't cover anything. There are many of these names.
I'll be obviously encounter you as a of late in almost the same quadrano so bar. Na team we dey na win deserve so bo na win deserve so bo za komo na bia no zu bo ma ba mo
Pacho semia
so ya wo ntitibi
metibi na semia ta meti ha minim nia meye ise me si for ma metu mi ka minim ba bia meko metu ka na buffalo gina se o na ka no kra nim twi na de be shega tem e fa mai
Sompa Sports.
focus okay say middle of time no man kan se man che no
omo kan se pa
me se Kotoko actually employed the Ashanti Regional Schools team coach, Pakwesi Febe. And I know you're my mom. Brah. Kotoko yi omuna free accelerator no so no. Samado Ponko Ken Faisal. Ogomashi, Prince Century Ken Faisal. Kodua Ken Faisal. Ampuma Amutu Ken Faisal. Dominica D free corners babies. Or the Niche Heart of Lions. Kofi Ntiwachi free corners. Oko Liberty. Could you ask some more bomber? KNUST Senior High, South African TechSec, Technology Secondary School, Casamine Deportivo, Casamine Street, Oko Liberty. So, Kotoko, and you are free accelerator as well. They would have seen these players around, Koku. Potson Amas team.
Sompa Sports.
I'm free Winnibano. Also, I'm the kind bomber Winniba. Final for boys. And some of your money Potson and mass echo sadden. Who can't you feel us out the apple?
me kind of
Oh, bomber Potson phone. What's that quick? Same. Jordan Opoku ni your friend Ferdinand. Opoku be no finals that time yeah bisanase. Ball pa.
is all
Mira, so ask Michael Akufu call Winneba Secondary. Obomomo. Same with Harrison. Enti planet dawo. Na yena na yentutu ya namon ye. So what I say? Kotoko yom BBS Central ni biti baby minute I say de omoye ni nyami nyai. Kwaku Jayana Deportivo ni omo maka ne mfa players no. Mo be bra ansa na wanya bi.
Sompa Sports.
Sabri ayebe bomilo juni. Kona kohwe. Ehin no mbefa agofre don sade ni free call no. Amas. Milo no kwa wambo.
Yo mo dene call.
Sa. So what are you saying? Imano Toku, Ukes, Gihok. Almost say Chitane discover. No, no, Toku ni no kruma o.
Abo ina.
Wabo kes na Toku Father Felix Chiba for Father Felix Oka or Chade or Saka Muspol. Father Felix Nehams and a train madrin called Tokusu first. There was another boy, Idrisu, no, so high school, a friend in Tampico. Who can 17 maybe. A year, I hear a farm.
Like a year.
Amas, Fomina. Look, their names, Mira. Sa no. No more number 5, be no about Amas. Mira fini, the one be kind of text, bra. Onya ACL. Kwaku.
Sompa Sports.
The park ranidi. Be seen that. Or ko Italy kind of career rehabilitation. Minimum that's what me ba. No okopa man no pry. Oh. So look, this idea. No. O de in 2001 team now. You had to under 20 no. Argentina. No. Michael Essien is St. Augustine's. Patrick Villas, St. Augustine's. Suleiman Tari, Ukes. On the right, Nekwa Kudia. Kumasi High School. I think Derek Buckton also schooled in one of these schools. No, on a Tanelam thing. So, what, oh, they are now can. So, obey what the Central BT baby, 2 or 4 say, the Oyen in your wajai.
I would tiro.
Huh? Omo your money, oh Abdullah Ghazali. Why you justify? So no. I don't. Bombeka se kotoko ye justify. Ewo. Adakuja just me na mkachom. Masa, na menwem.
Sompa Sports.
They are wasting precious time.
That was 6 months when you after.
That's
why the December.
Me see, me catch you say is a waste of. They know where the players are, and one say catch. Na Ghazali wa mbo Milo no say dem say sorry, inter schools and colleges football no. Who dey can qualifiers? And san wa ba stadium.
To no cry.
O boya drew final ah. Sikenti ambo ni opokuai. You get the point? Into we hu kra ni bebre.
We say one player bi no can rocking. Obo no no talent na no e fe ne chance.
Okay.
Okobo Amina Shark last league no obo bi mo. Say fe ne chance for ni bobo pa.
So what I say? There be onim be am kra no be your mama say Sabuto wo ho. Ka school team coach Pato mu nyina wo ho.
Ama so Kalu mu so.
Kalu agro e wo prempe. Kwaku.
Kwa ji Kalu di. Eduman. Edujemfi. Jamasi Eduman. E wo kwan so Eduman. Look, Kwaku mo be bo obi nka nchew. Se kwa hwem. Arafat go school ben. Arafat.
Eduman.
Arafat go Eduman.
Yeah.
How was that I kaso amamo de.
Bechim for no.
There what do no.
Bechim for no.
That be that catch no ha but akubi baby Arafat do no.
Enu ya bruchira na say Ghana.
We never catch we.
Otuwa na wasi mechi adi mi body.
No me see what you. Mo na bia manye because invitation unu enya no. Say say all be move straight crowd aba ayi All Stars Festival.
Say abruchi di amaso. Say na Ghana de emia.
Oze.
Abruchi di amaso.
Da Ghana ya.
Ene ne menpini da.
Oze.
Menpini da.
Ene ba bizu la blo just open.
Menpini.
But me say no you the first choice.
Da bia enya.
Ero mo invite no so.
Enya adwuma.
Ti ba bia komo na du ne de.
Enya adwuma.
Ano pay ya kra no.
Kwasi ada ya makwa kuhia CEO ne kasa.
Oh ne ha o na se ba bia du ne de.
Nti yesre momo ni nko. Nkwa ni bi wo mu ni mbo pa. Ebetimi aboa. Ama no Conversion striker friends Benjamin Bature.
Bature.
No, Captain Konon Goodmas.
Bature.
Aye.
Odmas oko go pa bela.
What I say? Unia says unia
no always
so no my you mo
da logo viole ayi adikasias.
Na unia de ndie masum na kasias de ndie. Me de pay twem. Hey!
Adikasias.
Asembe ni nti yesre schools and colleges near my nko. House ne kotokono mnam kan omo yi omo ni na fair dereliction of duty. There's quality there.
But if you or Chebeshia, I now find them the baby do no. Ayeka, Moya Hoshe crazy, your corner, na minima baba to us, and I'm watching I baba na yababa to us, mama.
Wujam, mamini konkonsa kakra. Kakra bia na wife a baby fridge ni mu. You drink bia, e wo botton kitten kitty bi mu. Afechire ho. Aperitivo bit. E na na namfo no ma besa no a.